Entry from email marketing AVC. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Klaviyo with Facebook. So on the left side, you click on integrations and click all integrations, and you type in Facebook advertising. You click on Facebook advertising, authorize with Facebook advertising, and now you have to log in to your account and you continuous entry. This is just an example. Okay. And now you have my account, connect to Facebook advertising. Select your page. Since I have few pages, let's say email marketing NYC, update Facebook advertising. And so it's already connected. It's in sync. It might take few hours or a few days, depends how much data you have. And in the future, you can link specific segment or many segments with your choose with different custom audience, or create new Klaviyo test audience and sync. Please try again. Yeah, so probably I have it's free account, it's not paid account, so that's why it's not creating. But this is how you integrate with Klaviyo, and then select specific segment or list and connect it with custom audience. So this is how you integrate. Please let me know if you have any additional questions. Thank you.